Hello everybody, this is Curtis Brown Jr. at Donnelly Ford of Shelby, coming at you with a 2018 Ford Escape. This thing features the 1.5 liter turbocharged motor. This thing is pretty nice. It's got low miles on it. It's got 91,000 miles on it. Comes with cruise control, heated seats, power windows, backup camera. This thing is pretty nice, pretty slick. Come to the back here. It's got the spacious 60/40 split. Has the pull down cup holders in the middle. And also, if you come around to the back, it has the hatch. Push the button, lifts right up for you. And then you can see all the cargo space in the back. It's pretty nice. So if you have any questions or concerns, come see me at Donnelly Ford of Shelby. Curtis Brown Jr., extension 4014.